Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in finding the smallest value in each level of a binary tree. First, let us take an example. The idea is to perform iterative level order traversal of the binary tree using a queue. While traversing, we keep a min variable which stores the minimum element of the current level of the tree being processed. When the level is completely traversed, we print that min value. Now, let us have a look at the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 1, to print level minimum function. So, root points to 1. As root is not null, we create a queue the root node into the queue. Also, we push a null delimiter to go level by level. Now, we take a min variable and initialize it to int max and a level variable which we initialize to 0. Now, as queue is not empty, we enter the while loop and take a node variable which points to the next pop 1 from the queue. As the node is not null, we go to the second part of the code which is on the right hand side and check if min is greater than node's data. Since int max is greater than 0, we set min equal to node's data. So min will be equal to 1. Next, we enqueue the left and right children of node 1. So 2 and 3 will be enqueued. We continue with the while loop as the queue is not empty. Now, node will point to null and null will be dequeued. Now, as node is null, the if condition is satisfied and we print null and min. Since queue is not empty, we push a null delimiter into the queue. Then we increment level and set min to int max. We continue with the while loop. Now, node will point to 2 and 2 will be dequeued. Since node is not null, we go to the second part of the code and check if min is greater than node's data. As it is true, we set min equal to node's data. Since left and right of 2 are null, nothing is enqueued and we continue with the while loop. Now, node will point to 3 and dequeued. Since node is not null, we check if min is greater than node's data. As it is false, min remains 2 and as left and right of 3 are null, nothing is enqueued and we continue with the while loop. Now, node will point to null and null will be dequeued. Since node is null, the first if condition in the while loop is satisfied and we print level along with min. Since queue is empty, we break out of the while loop and we have the final output. Now, let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of n complexity. Here, n are the number of nodes in the binary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.